Assalamu alaikum girls. Today inshallah we are going to study about day and night. Please open your books on page number 40, science books and unit number 9, day and night. Today we are going to study about how a day occurs and how night is seen. Okay? I told you in the previous lecture, this is already a revision. We have already studied everything in the previous lecture. The previous lecture was an introduction. Okay, many of the students they got confused. They were asking me about the previous lecture. Whatever was in the last video. Today we are going to study about that. So it was just the introduction to for you people to understand. Okay, to understand what about the day and night. The Earth is a planet and has air, water, and sunlight. These three things make life possible on Earth. So on Earth we have water, we have air and sunlight, and because of these three things we have life on Earth. If there is no air, no life. If there is no water, no life. If there is no sunlight, no life. The Earth is a planet. It is round like a ball. We already know this. The Earth is a planet and it is round like a ball. We call this a sphere. Okay, the movements of the Earth. Today inshallah we'll be studying about the movements the Earth along with its seven other planets. So seven other planets we have discussed about the seven other planets. Remember the seven other planets. Remember the seven other planets. I taught you about the seven other planets. Now see the seven other planets. Mercury 1, Venus 2, 3 is Earth, 4 is Mars, 5 is Jupiter, 6 is Saturn, and 7 is Uranus, and 8 is Neptune. So without Earth we have 7. With Earth we have 8 planets. So Earth and the 7 other planets. Earth and the 7 other planets. Okay, so total planets are 8. The Earth and the 7 other planets. The Earth along with 7 other planets. They move around the sun. I told you in the previous class that they move around the sun. The path of the Earth's movement around the sun is called its orbit. So, the path of the Earth's movement around the sun is called its orbit. The Earth takes one full year to complete one orbit around the sun. Now see, the Earth, it needs one full year to move around the sun. See, it is going to move like this. See the arrows in your book. It is going to move in a circle. And see now, this for they are saying it takes one full year to complete one orbit around the sun. Understand? I told you about the orbit.